The business excellence model. Business excellence is a philosophy for developing and strengthening the management systems and processes of an organization to improve performance and create value for stakeholders. The essence of this approach is to develop quality management principles that increase the overall efficiency of the operation, minimize waste in the production of goods and services, and help to increase employee loyalty as a means of maintaining high standards throughout the business. By achieving excellence in everything that an organization does, including leadership, strategy, customer focus, information management, people, and processes. Business excellence principles emerged because of development of quality drive into traditional business management. Business excellence considers various management thoughts as core concepts and structures quality management in a manner that can be adapted by any enterprise. Several business excellence models exist worldwide. Several business excellence models exist worldwide. While variations exist, these models are all remarkably similar. The most common include EFQM Excellence Model, Baldrige Criteria for Performance Excellence, Singapore BE Framework, Japan Quality Award Model, Australian Business Excellence Framework. Few of the models mentioned above have strategic importance in the process of organizational development have been discussed here. EFQM Excellence Model under Business Excellence Model is EFQM Excellence Model meets the fundamental concepts of excellence well. It is European model but is closely related to other models such as US model, Malcolm Baldrige model. The Baldrige model has the same aims and very similar frameworks as to EFQM excellence model. The EFQM excellence model provides an all-round view of the organization and it can be used to determine how different methods fit together and complement each other. Based on the needs of the organization, this model can be used with other tools of improvement to attain sustainable excellence. The EFQM model is a practical, non prescriptive tool that enables organizations to understand the cause and effect relationship between what their organization does and the results it achieves. The EFQM model presents set of three integrated components: fundamental concepts of excellence, criteria conceptual framework, the radar logic assessment framework. The fundamental concepts of excellence are the basic principles that describe the essential foundation for any organization to achieve sustainable excellence. These fundamental concepts can be seen in below figure. Sustaining outstanding results, adding value for customers, creating sustainable future, developing organizational capability, harnessing creativity and innovation, leading with vision, inspiration and integrity, managing with agility, succeeding through the talent of people, sustaining outstanding results. The EFQM excellence model criteria, the EFQM conceptual model helps organization to realize in practice the fundamental concepts and to understand the cause and effect relationship between what the organization does and the result it achieves. The EFQM excellence model is also a self assessment model for an organization that wants to assess its level of excellence. It is based on 9 criteria. There are 5 enablers and 4 results. The enabler criteria cover what an organization does. The results criteria cover what an organization achieves. Results are caused by enablers. Enablers and results. These all are learning, creativity, and innovation. Enablers, leadership, people, strategy, partnership and resources, processes, products and services. Results are people results, customer results, society results, business results. Oh. Six, five enablers and four results. Total nine criteria. The dynamic nature of the model is emphasized by the arrows as shown in the diagram. The model helps the enablers by innovation and learning, leading to improved results. The model's nine boxes shown above represent the criteria against which to assess an organization's progress towards excellence. Each criteria consists of a number of sub criteria, including the elements that need to be considered for the organization to achieve excellence in its business and which are indicative of what can be considered good practice. These are further evaluated using the radar logic assessment framework. These are further evaluated using the radar logic assessment framework. The last component is the radar. Research results, approaches, deep deploy, assess, refine. Radar is results, approaches, deploy, assess, and refine logic. The last component is the radar logic, which is a management and evaluation tool for analyzing the performance of an organization. Results required, approaches, plan and develop, deploy approaches, assess and refine approaches and deployment. It is used as an underlying basis of the scoring system of the EFQM Excellence Award and can help to lead changes and manage improvement projects. The EFQM Excellence model is used by about 30,000 organizations across Europe. Recently, more and more countries, especially across Middle East and South America, have started using the model. Baldrige criteria for performance excellence. This model provides the foundation for most of the business excellence models adopted around the world. The framework is built around the seven categories, that is leadership, strategic planning, customer and market focus, measurement analysis and knowledge management, workforce, process management, and business results. Business excellence model and organizational culture. Business excellence approach focuses on strengthening the internal function and communication, looks toward the cultivation of strong ties with the consumers and can be incorporated into the culture. Excellence cannot be attained if the staffs are forced to conform to certain norms. They have to be critically managed and motivated. A wisdom is required to be developed among employees that by pursuing the goal of their organization, they are meeting their own objectives. Employees feel accredited when they are considered important elements in pursuit of excellence as they learn new skills. A feeling of association is developed, and employees start believing in the management philosophies. When the organization tries to achieve excellence, for achieving business excellence, effective leadership is equally important to manage all the resources efficiently. A strong and empathetic leader, effective communication system, employee empowerment, employee motivation, innovative and creative culture are some of the strategies to make the employees feel connected to the management philosophy of the organization. A robust culture arises as a result of implementation of business excellence model which can make the organization a world class performer. Business excellence model in practice. The Tata Business Excellence Model